Hi guys, so today's video is a little bit different. What we wanted to do was kind of reminisce a little bit about some of our memories of Walt Disney World back in June over the next 6 weeks, running right up until I think the 20th of December with the last one. I've done a little spreadsheet and figured it all out. We're going to show you some on-ride POVs from Walt Disney World. We got quite a lot of raw footage during our trip there, and we've used some of it in our vlogs, but I've had a few people comment saying I'd love to see the full kind of POVs that you took. So this is in response to the people who are asking for it. This is our little mini-series of on-ride POVs. Now today's is from Animal Kingdom, and in Asia you will find Expedition Everest, which is a really great coaster, really fun for all the family. It's got a few kind of surprise elements on there the first time you ride it. It's not too much of an intense coaster, it's just a really kind of fun family coaster. I think people of all ages can enjoy it, from obviously the youngest kids that you can get on with the height restriction right up to we saw people who were quite elderly enjoying the ride as well. It's a really fun ride all round really. There's nothing too mega intense about it, it's just really enjoyable, really great experience. Well, that's it for my intro, so I hope you enjoy this on-ride POV of Expedition Everest. Make sure you subscribe to our adventures, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Outside.